Ever wondered how the power of visualization can transform your life? In this exploration, we delve into the profound impact of visualization, its role in shaping a new reality, and how it can be a potent tool for personal transformation. Ready to unlock the secrets of imagination? Let's dive in. Explore the power of visualization. It's not just a meditation exercise, it's a transformative tool. Dive into vivid details, activating your senses to imagine success. Whether driving a sports car or scoring a basketball hoop, the art of visualization goes beyond the secret, shaping a new reality through detailed and sensory imagery. Ready to harness its potential? Master the art of visualization for success. Dive deep into details, feel the material, sense the time, pinpoint your location. Visualization is more than meditation. It's a skill to enhance any aspect of your life. Empower change by imagining a reality beyond your current circumstances. If you're facing challenges, unlock the power of visualization to break free and create a path to a better future. Imagination is your gateway to a new life. Don't just think about the future, visualize it. Imagination, unlike mere thoughts, breaks free from the past and challenges the logical brain. Many stay stuck because they can't envision a radically different future. Career shifts and life transformations often begin with vividly visualizing a reality beyond the known. Whether in work or personal life, detailed sensory imagination is the key to creating the change you desire. Imagination is a potent force often underestimated in its ability to shape your daily life. It goes beyond mere entertainment and can be a transformative tool. When envisioning a different reality, doubts may arise, dismissing it as impossible or silly. Whether imagining luxury despite financial struggles or a dream space, allow these thoughts to come, persist in visualizing, and feel the emotions of being in that envisioned space. Effective visualization isn't bound by your current reality. It can catapult you into a completely different realm. Embark on a journey of profound wisdom and self-discovery by clicking the I button above. Discover transformative content designed for those seeking deeper insights and spiritual growth. Elevate your understanding and immerse yourself in a journey of profound self-discovery. Visualize with intention, focusing on the emotions and sensations associated with your envisioned happiness. Don't postpone those feelings, experience them now. If doubts arise, start with a simple visualization, like holding a flashlight in the darkness. Explore every detail, its color, temperature, and your grip. Gradually expand your visualizations, creating detailed settings. I've personally found visualization to be a powerful tool, especially in challenging times when it seems like there's no way out. It's a transformative practice that brings about positive change in how I feel and live daily. I used to feel constantly miserable, unable to envision a future. Each day seemed like the end, and the future was a blank void. Everything in my present felt wrong, leading to a deep sense of despair. Visualizing and imagining became my lifeline out of this darkness. Starting with small steps, like running 3 to 5 miles, I gradually embraced the idea of running a marathon. Inspiration from stories of others, including Oprah, fueled my belief that I, too, could achieve it. Over time, this seed of possibility took root, and I discovered my capability to overcome challenges. Imagining is fascinating because we often have a negative response to it, doubting our capabilities. Reflecting on my marathon journey, I realized I was always capable. It's about commitment and effort, not exclusivity. Visualization propelled me to run 3 marathons and lifted me from deep depression. It shifted my focus from external circumstances to envisioning how I wanted to feel daily, regardless of my surroundings. Challenge for the week: visualize your ideal day, starting with the first minute. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and joy as you wake up. Picture the details, whether it's calmly getting up or lying there with a sense of thankfulness. My preference is to wake up with energy and enthusiasm, appreciating the gift of life. Also, stay tuned for an upcoming episode where we delve into the creative journey of writing and blogging, exploring the process and lessons learned. Excited to share diverse stories of people trusting themselves and creating lives they love. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching the video. Take care and see you soon.